Welcome to Accelerated Hypnosis and this powerful session designed to help you overcome emotional eating, release excess weight, feel lighter, and guide you into a deep, restful sleep. Persistent struggles with eating and weight often stem from unresolved trauma and really do need to be treated at the subconscious level, so you're in the right place. Because relaxation is a practice. And you can train your mind and body to relax, calm down, and prepare for a restful night's sleep while you release weight and feel lighter. Practice these sessions for 21 nights, and with consistency, you'll actually start to notice the habit of this guided relaxation, and you'll be feeling lighter and sleeping deeper in no time at all. So enjoy this guided hypnosis as you let it carry you into a deep, restful sleep. Before we begin, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get more hypnosis sessions to release weight, calm anxiety, and sleep deeply while you're still awake. Now, give this a quick like and let's get ready to begin. And find a comfortable spot and allow your eyes to close. Take a slow, deep breath in and out. Let's release the day together and drift deep into a restful calm. Let's release the day together and drift deep into a restful calm as you focus on the sound of my voice. You don't need to understand everything. Just let the sounds wash over you as you drift down towards sleep. Now, as you settle down to sleep, allow yourself to be comfortable. As you just allow your body to relax deeply. Knowing that as you rest, your subconscious mind is always listening and learning. And you're listening to this for a reason. You found this for a reason. And your inner wisdom knows what's best for you. Because your inner wisdom knows what's best for you. Now imagine a sense of calm and peace drifting down through your body as you allow any tension to melt away and just notice your natural easy breathing. And take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And exhale slowly through your mouth. As your body begins to soften and release, as you prepare to enter a deep, restful state of mind and body. a place where you can reshape your thoughts to release excess weight while you sleep, feeling lighter and lighter with each breath. Allow yourself to sink. Allow yourself to drift deeper into relaxation, knowing that this time is for you to release, renew, and unlock your infinite potential and a lighter, new you. I'm going to count down from 10 to 1. With each number, you'll feel yourself drifting deeper into a calm, peaceful state. Your body relaxing, your mind settling, and receptive to more and more calm and lightness. Each number will take you closer to a level of mind where success becomes natural, effortless, and easy. 10. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your forehead soften. Let go of any tension in your brow or around your eyes as it melts away. 9. Your eyelids feeling heavy, resting comfortably, as if they're gently sealed with peace and rest. 8. The relaxation flows down your jaw, your cheeks, your neck, releasing all tightness as your breathing begins to slow. 7. Feel your shoulders release, light and loose as they sink into the surface beneath you. 6. Your arms growing light and relaxed from your shoulders all the way down to your fingertips. 5. Your chest rises and falls effortlessly with each breath, drifting deeper into calm. 4. The relaxation drifts down to your stomach, your hips, softening every muscle. 3. Your legs begin to feel lighter, as if they're melting into the bed, grounded and at ease. 2. All the way down to the soles of your feet, Your entire body is now deeply relaxed, calm, and still. 1. You are now at a perfect level of mind, calm, open, and ready to release everything that has been weighing you down. You've arrived at the base of the staircase, standing in a space of perfect calm, in a theater within your mind. Now imagine a vast glowing screen before you, like a personal movie of your future success. As you see yourself there, thriving, feeling lighter, more and more at ease with every breath. Notice what you're wearing, how it feels, how your body moves, how effortlessly you carry yourself. As you take in all the colors, the sounds, the thoughts, the emotions of this moment, feeling all the confidence, your voice steady and sure. Everything you do flowing with ease. With every passing second, you feel lighter, freer, and more in tune with your unlimited potential. Now, step into that scene. Feel the energy of this version of you, the one who's already arrived. Now, let that feeling expand, filling every part of your being. This future self is unfolding within you, waiting to be fully embraced, because it's already happening. As each day brings you closer to the success and ease that you already have inside you. And from this future, look back at yourself, resting. As you see how all the choices and insights have led you here, guided you with peace, clarity, feeling lighter with ease and flow. And as you stand in your future success, looking back at yourself in the present, allow all the wisdom of this version of you to flow back. All the guidance that your future future self is offering, the insight, the encouragement, the subtle shifts in thought and action that will bring you back here even faster. As this knowledge settles deep down within you, all the way deep down, reshaping your mind and body with effortless transformation. Now, let the screen slowly fade, knowing that this vision is now a part of you, working within your subconscious as you sleep tonight. Your mind continues to strengthen these ideas as it aligns your thoughts, beliefs, and actions tomorrow with success. Picture yourself waking up, feeling lighter, energized. Notice how your clothes fit comfortably as all the changes start taking place. Imagine choosing a healthy meal and feeling completely satisfied and in tune with this new way of being. As you move with ease, walking, enjoying the feeling of strength and comfort in your body. And as this image becomes more vivid, it integrates seamlessly into your reality, guiding your choices with ease and flow. Because your body knows what you need, as your desire for what truly supports you grows stronger each night. As you sleep, your mind and body working in harmony, reprogramming, reshaping, reinforcing the ease of this transformation. And as you sleep, the foundation of all these changes strengthens as it grows deeper within you, all the way deeper and deeper. And when you wake, you'll feel a quiet confidence, a natural pull towards choices that nourish and satisfy you. Moving your body will feel effortless and easy as these new habits strengthen each day, effortlessly aligning with your desires, because your subconscious is now leading the way in this journey. Now, let these words fade as you drift into deep, restful sleep. Just allowing yourself to drift all the way deep down as your mind continues working for you, reinforcing these positive shifts throughout the night. As you sleep deeply, restore fully, and wake up feeling lighter, refreshed, and aligned with the vibrant life you are creating each moment. Now, drift into peaceful, relaxing, nourishing sleep as you allow this to incorporate into every cell of your new body, every neuron in your brain, until you wake tomorrow and notice all the shifts that have taken place to give you the ability to choose. Sweet dreams, and let's connect on the next one.